Yun ang unang tanong.
I miss it every day.
Galing-galing mong actor, no?
10 years. 10 years. Kasi I had to quit Half Sisters a year before filing of candidacy. So
10 years ago na yun.
Yung huli kong work as artista was Half Sisters. Now, ako lang naman, diskarte ko lang yung wala mo ng showbiz, desk work, tapos ng masteral, legislation, mambabatas. Charot!
Seryoso ko lang.
Charot! Diba? Although, ano yun, it was my choice to run my office, to manage it. Walang alter ego, walang chief of staff. I prepared everything, departmentalized my office as a counselor. So ako nagpatakbo ng lahat. No? So every now and then, Provinciano would call, GMA would call, I had to decline. So point ko lang, I had to be present in every flag ceremony, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. type of work. Desk work lang, walang workout, walang gym, obvious ba?
Pero sila naman
Obvious ba? So, very, very fulfilling. Although I miss showbiz every day. I miss the craft. I miss yung the world of make-believe.
Ano pa magpapabalik sa inyo sa showbiz? I mean, anong project yung tatanggapin nyo kahit short lang para lang makita ulit kayong umacting?
I did a stint of 4 or 5 episodes for Call My Manager.
Yung HBO
Balitaan
series.
niyo nga ako nung nangyari.
Later this year daw.
Later this year, nice. So I played a bandido. Ang dami kong peg eh. Parang Al Pacino, salbahe. Robert De Niro, salbahe. Masaya. So, ano siya, it was a very powerful character, very powerful man, politician. Na ano talaga, medyo demonito. So, it was fun. So, meron akong isang ganyan na warm up. I'm looking at, I'm actually more excited with production, producing, warm up, ganyan. Yung pag-artista, I'd rather do it physically prepared. If you notice, yung kulay ng buhok ko, aluminum na. Aluminum ang hair. A few wrinkles here and there. Weight. So I have to address a few issues with my physique.
When will we get to see that?
I don't know how my body would react. I wanted to join the recent bench fashion show. Kaya lang,
Wow, oo nga, no?
isip pa lang. Di pa ready yung katawan.
In-invite ka ba nila?
Yes, I was really invited. So, nabigyan naman kami ng mga ticket.
Goma was
exciting. Goma is always there. We're doing our own fashion show here in Makati. So, sometime sa Burmans, we're launching a new one.
Wow.
So, I would love Bench to be part of it also. So, sariling production na natin.
Yan, dali naman magpakulay ng hair. Ayaw mo magpakulay.
Mahirap magpapayat.
Ilan ba ang dapat bawasin?
Andiyan naman si Celeste. Tabiera kahit anong kulay ng buhok.
Ilan ang dapat bawasin sa weight?
Takot ako magtimba. Pagalitan ako ng doktor ko. Awa ng Diyos, wala naman ako mga maintenance pa.
Wow.
Although, syempre, I'm half a century old. half a century old. So,
Oh,
yung ano lang, syempre I feel meron ako mga nararamdaman. So together with yung preparation pag-aartista, yung I think I still have a few good years to
Why not?
compete
Yes.
compete as a race car driver. So sabay yan. So merong body preparations, body and mind and soul. So syempre karera. So artista, same na. Sabay.
kailan ka nag-50 John?
Turning 50 August.
August. Wala ka maintenance, sabi mo.
Wala pa. walang
Nagpapacheck ka ba?
I take
Okay.
I take ginseng, I take all these vitamins. I have an eye condition, I take stem cells for it.
Stem cell.
I take stem cell treatment for my eyes. Abby is preparing stem cell treatments for me too. So far okay naman. Awa ng Diyos. Praise the Lord.
Pero John, you will not be in politics in the coming elections, right?
No, not as a candidate.
Yes,
I'll be there as a supporter. After this midterm election, I'm planning on mag-a-apply for appointments on a national level. I'm ready for any position. Come 2028, we'll see what I can do to contribute. Basic naman lagi ang aking advocacy at saka platforms. Number one, it's always been road safety. So when we promote motorsports, we promote road safety. So number one yan in my list. Number two is disaster risk reduction. We have delivered 20,000 fire extinguishers in the whole district. Pa rin yan, in the first district. So